Chihuahua, 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 oh Chihuahua. I'm walking on the street and the moon shines badly. The melody keeps raining on my mind tonight. I gotcha, it's the song about Chihuahua. Yeah, that's cool, alright. Chihuahua, it's fun, and the love for those sure feels slow. When you think about tomorrow, say yo. When you're allowed to freak out, just go and shout it out loud. Chihuahua here, Chihuahua there. Everybody wants it everywhere. Sing it loud, life can be so easy. Chihuahua, I can make you more. Chihuahua, can you feel that groove? Chihuahua, I can make you dance. Chihuahua, oh Chihuahua, Chihuahua, I can make you sing. Chihuahua, take it and you win. Chihuahua, I can bring you joy. Chihuahua, oh Chihuahua. Driving in my car looking for a parking space. There it is, my place. Or more or less wins the race. No, I give up. Today is not my day. But then take a deep breath and say, go down. When you're about to go crazy, turn around. I feel as fresh as the days just run. Because it's hard to go. Have fun and let the whole world know. Chihuahua here, Chihuahua there. Everybody wants it everywhere. Sing it loud. Life can be so easy. Chihuahua, I can make you more. Chihuahua, can you feel that groove? Chihuahua, I can make you dance. Chihuahua, oh Chihuahua, Chihuahua, I can make you sing. Chihuahua, take it and you win. Chihuahua, I can bring you joy. Chihuahua, oh Chihuahua, Chihuahua. Chihuahua, 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 Chihuahua.